Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video I'm going to be showing you the daily cipher word, which is burn. Burn, like burning something. Burn. You excuse my handwriting, B-U-R-N. As always, we'll line up the letters B-U-R-N, so burning. Then we find the corresponding Morse codes. So for B, look here, long press, tap, tap, tap. So B is you long press, tap, tap, tap 3 times. Then you look for U. U is here, tap, tap, long press. U is tap, tap, long press. Then you look for R. R is here, it's tap, long press, tap. R is tap, long press, tap. Then we look for N. N is somewhere here, long press, tap, long press, tap. Then let us get the phone and we enter in this Morse code. As always, click here in the middle, Daily Cipher, until this button turns red. Then we put in the Morse codes. We start with B, long press, tap, tap, tap. Then U, tap, tap, long press. Then R, tap, long press, tap. Then N, long press, tap. As simple as that. And the word is burn. Lastly, click on take the prize, and it will be good job CEO. Where is it? Today they have not brought it, but that's it. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Peace.